Hi, Edical. This is Mark. I'm going to go over 3 tips that you can do today to help you bring more customers to your site. I know times are tough, and I really just want to help businesses grow. So, if at the end of the video you find that we can really help you, man, reach out. We'd love to chat. Otherwise, you can take these tips and do them yourself. So let's just jump right into it, man. I know under M&H Sprinkler Systems, you guys don't have a website, so we went ahead and I'm going to use Simply Sprinkler of Texas as kind of like a guide on the things that we can do and how we can help you guys. So again, let's get started. So the first thing I want to go over today is content. You want to have at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage. Google really loves content, so you want to have these buyer intent keywords throughout the site or throughout the 1,500 words, and which we will explain those here in just a second. Another thing that you want to do is name the pictures that you use as one of those keywords. So as these guys have, just these regular pictures here. So if we were to go try to save them, they have them under their saved under their business name. So again, that's good. That's really what we want. These clickable links are really great, and if you have some testimonials, they're also golden. So if we were to search for sprinkler system installation in Houston, this is what comes up. The next thing that we want to go over are your citations. So this is what is called a map pack. So typically this is your goal to be on page 1 as a business. So because consumers are typically going to choose the first one, if not one of these businesses that show up here on page 1. So how do you get here? Well, in with these citations, it's your business name, address, and phone number when registered through directories such as Yelp.com, YellowPages.com, or even the Better Business Bureau. Yelp is one of the big ones, and when it's created in Yelp, it creates a backlink to your page, which we'll go over that in just a second. So the backlinks is, as you can see down here underneath the map pack, is what's called the organic section. So your keywords and backlinks play a big part in how you're ranked down here. For example, we did some of the work on the back end, and this is another system that we use is called Ahrefs, that gives you a basic idea of how your website's really performing. So in this, it shows the organic keywords, which these guys have 33 organic keywords. They've got 6 referring domains with 8 backlinks. So basically what this means is it's showing the performance, and in turn it's bringing them 7 customers a month to their website. So if we were to take a look here at their keywords, Simply Sprinklers is bringing 30 people a month to their site. Simply Sprinkler, yes, it's basically the same, just without the S, and it's bringing 100 people. Same thing here, 100 people. Texas Sprinkler, 150, and so on and so forth. So like I said, you want to have these keywords that are buyer intent keywords that people are searching for, and which in turn will bring more traffic to your site. So so these backlinks, they're really not all created equal. So some can have a rule of not to follow, which in turn won't give your site power, and at times it really takes away from it. So others may be spam. It really just depends on how you build these backlinks, and by going over these informational sites, blog sites, or even creating info for your page. And it's very time consuming, which really why businesses hire someone to do this for them. Also, man, when you create the backlinks, it gives your site search engine power. It's almost like a popularity contest through Google's eyes, and which in part it's really how Google will give you the authority to come up here on page 1 of Google. So, man, in summary, if you guys really want us to help you guys save some time and do this for you, we'd love to help you out. Simply reply back to the email, or call me. My phone number is in the email. We look forward to hearing from you guys. And again, my name is Mark, and we look forward to hearing from you, and we hope you find it informational. Thanks.